Hello children, welcome back. Welcome back again to the another video of the revision on the topic one and many. Yes children, one and many. So children, today in this video we are going to revise one more worksheet of one and many. Okay children, you're ready? Okay, let's go. So children, our question is, look at the pictures and circle the correct answer. Yes children, we have to look at these pictures and after that two options are here. We have to circle the correct answer. Okay. So children, let us see the first picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes children, what are these? These are houses, isn't it? One or many? Many. Okay. So children, in one we don't use S, but in many we add S. Okay. So these houses are many. So with S or without S children? So which one is the correct answer? No S or S? S, isn't it? Why? Because many houses. So let us circle the correct answer. Yes, houses is the correct answer because the picture has many houses, isn't it? So now children, let's go to the next picture. So what is this children? Dog. How many? One, isn't it? So no S or S? No S. Yes children, see the picture has only one dog. So no S. So we will circle which one? D-O-G. Dog. Let us circle D-O-G. Dog. Okay? Yes. So now children, let's go to the next picture. So children, what are all these? Cups, isn't it? One or many? Many. So S or no S? S, isn't it? Many cups, that's why S. So which one we will circle? This. C-U-P-S, cups. Okay? Let us circle. Yes. So, yes, let us circle the correct answer. Done. Got it children? Understood, no? Yes. So, many houses, that's why with S. One dog, no S. Many cups with S. Okay children? Now let's go to the next slide. See now children, this picture, pins, isn't it? How many pins? One or many? Many. Yes children, many. That's why S or no S? S, isn't it? Why S children? Because the pins are many. That's why this is our correct answer. So let us circle the correct answer. P-I-N-S, pins. Yes. Got it children? Okay. Now children, let us go to the next picture. What is this? Eggs. How many? One or many? Many. So children, what? No S or S? Which is the correct answer? With S, isn't it? E-double-G-S. Eggs. Why? Because many eggs. So let us now what we will do? We will circle the correct answer. So children, let us circle the correct answer. Yes. Got it? Okay now. Now children, let's go to the next picture. What is this? Book. How many? One or many? One book. So, no S or S? No S, isn't it? So, let us circle B-O-O-K, book. Okay? Why no S? Because in the picture only one book is there. That's why. Now children, let us go to the next picture. What is this? Hat. One or many? One. So, no S or S? No S. Why no S, children? Because the picture has only one hand. So let us make one circle in H-A-T, hat. So children, you got the answer now? Yes. In the first picture, many pins. That's why P-I-N-S, pins. Next picture, many eggs are there. That's why E-double-G-S, eggs, with S. Next picture, one book. That's why no S, B-O-O-K, book. In the last picture, one hat, isn't it? So no S, H-A-T, hat. Okay children? Now let's go to the next slide for some more examples, some more questions. So now children, yes, what is this picture? What are there in this picture? Balls, isn't it? One or many? Many balls. So no S or S? S, isn't it? Why S? Because many balls are there in the picture. So what we are going to do now? We will circle the correct answer. Yes, done. Okay. Now children, let's go to the next picture. What is this? Cap. How many? One or many? One cap. So no S, isn't it? C-A-P, cap. Okay. So again, let us circle the correct answer. C-A-P, cap. Okay. So now children, next is ant. How many ant? One or many? One. So A-N-T, ant. No S or A-N-T-S, ants, with S. Yes children? No S, isn't it? Why? Only one ant. So let us make one circle in the correct answer. Our correct answer is A-N-T, ant. Okay. Now children, let's go to the last picture. So what are there in this last picture? Pots. Many pots, isn't it? So no S or S? No, sorry, with S, isn't it? Why S? Because many pots. So what we will do now? We will underline the correct, we will circle the correct answer. Yes, P-O-T-S, pots. Okay children? Yes. See? Many balls. That's why B-A-L-L-S, with S, balls. Okay? One cap. So C-A-P, cap, no S. One ant. So A-N-T, ant, no S. And in the last picture, many pots. So with S, P-O-T-S, pots. Okay children? So this much for today. We shall again meet in our next video. Till then, bye-bye.